Hello guys! In our previous tutorial, we created a transaction replication. Now I'm going to teach you how to completely remove the replication we set up in SQL Server 2025. In this demo, we have two servers. Upper one is SQL Server 2025 as the publisher. Lower one is SQL Server 2022 as the subscriber. As you can see here, when we click on View Synchronization Status, it shows that the replication is running, but there's nothing to replicate. In our subscriber instance, if we click on the Local Subscriptions folder, you'll be able to see the subscription we created earlier. From here, we can review the details of the existing subscription, check its current status, and confirm that it's still linked to our publisher. Here, if we expand the Databases folder and go into System Databases, you can still see the distribution database listed here. Now I'm going to delete the subscriber. First, I'll click Yes to confirm the removal, and then I'll connect directly to the subscriber instance to delete it from there as well. This ensures that the subscription is fully removed from both the publisher and subscriber sides. Always remember, if you don't clean up the subscriber properly, the replication metadata may remain, which can cause issues when setting up new replications in the future. Now I'm going to delete the publisher. To do that, I'll first refresh the SQL Server 2025 instance so that all changes are updated. You can also notice here on the SQL Server 2022 instance that there are no subscriptions left. It has been permanently deleted. Once the publisher is removed, the replication environment will be completely cleaned up, leaving no remaining links between the two servers. Here, I'll right-click on the replication folder and select Disable Publishing and Distribution. Then I'll hit Next. And when prompted, I'll choose Yes, Disable Publishing on this server. After that, I'll click Next again and finally finish to complete the process. Heavy checkmark this step is important because it removes the publisher and distributor configuration entirely, ensuring that the server is no longer involved in any replication. Once completed, you'll notice that the replication folder will no longer contain the publisher, distributor, or any replication metadata. Here, you can see that under System Databases, there is no database called Distribution because it has been completely removed from SQL Server 2025. And again, once we refresh the SQL Server instance and check the replication folder, you can see there are no publications left in the folder. This means everything has been removed. The publisher, subscriber, and distributor are all gone.